Hello everyone, and today I will be unboxing my Lacoste polo shirt in Pique cotton. And before even I get into the unboxing of the polo shirt, I want to show you this bag, the carry bag that Lacoste gives, and I quite like this touch on the bag. That's the France flag on the carry bag itself. Let's get into the shirt. This is a full sleeve Lacoste polo shirt. I usually wear a size small in a slim fit shirt, and this shirt that I have is you can see over here, it's a classic fit. It's a full sleeve shirt in a nice light blue color. That's how kind of it looks in the natural sunlight. That's the famous Lacoste embossed crocodile. That's the placket. The buttons does not have Lacoste written on it, and that's the collar. There you see, classic fit. Most of these Lacoste shirts in full sleeves would come in a classic or a regular fit. You would rarely find a slim fit in a full sleeve Lacoste polo shirt. That's the tag, and that's how the shirt looks in natural sunlight. That's the kind of knit you will see in their Lacoste polo shirt. This is the famous Pique knit. So you see, it kind of stretches. The way it stretches, it kind of has the stretch all four sides of the cotton. That makes this shirt very breathable, and you can definitely wear this shirt in summers as well. I usually wear a size small in slim fit, but this shirt is a classic fit shirt, and that's how it looks in natural sunlight. Thanks for watching.